Hey everyone, it's Bobby from G Series Garage. I'm just trying out a clay bar. So this Ford Galaxy, 67 Galaxy, has been sitting in the woods for 30 years. And obviously it has stains from the trees and rain over the years and whatnot. As you can kind of tell from this side, right, this is the way the rain shows. But I just started, I bought some spray 9 because I know that's good cleaner. I don't know if it's good for paint or whatnot, but anyways, with a clay bar, it's been getting out the stains. So this is a part of the car I've done so far. And man, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. So I'm just gonna continue, have a short video of me cleaning it a little bit.
Short video, that's a pretty long video. It's 12 minutes and 19 seconds, but you get the drift. I put it all in there anyways.
This is a lot of work
Happy watching.
to get this stuff off. It's been on there forever, but you just keep working at it. Takes away those little rough stains too. Looks pretty good. All of the little blemishes that are in the car over the years, paint chips and stuff like that, does a pretty good job. So I'm happy with it. I don't know what special cleaner you gotta have for using the clay bar, but for me today, it's spray 9. I did use a brush, pretty rough bristle brush when I first started, but the paint is so thin that I started to rub through it, and I am not interested in rubbing through this paint. I don't know if I'm going to paint it yet, so I may just keep it the way it is and show off its experience in life, and so hopefully this does the job. And works well on the trim as well. Super smooth. I'm using the clay bar, I'm trying to hit it at all different angles so I can hopefully, you know, as the rust forms in all different directions. So just trying to get every little bit, every little can. Removes that excess rust look on the paint. And I must say, it's doing a really good job. I'll try this down here, see if we can get it. Not too bad. A little bit more rubbing. Holy smokes. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see the difference in the rust spots there. Let's try it on the bottom. Don't want to waste my clay bar and all that right now, but I don't know what you guys can see, but it's pretty good. Took a lot of those little rust stains out, you know. Clay bar, baby. Paint is wearing thin there. Man, this takes out all the imperfections. It's super smooth when you feel the paint afterwards. It feels like a brand new paint job. So I'm okay with that noise. I'm just happy to get it to the best condition I can. Let's drive this thing. But first, brakes. Needs brakes. So that's alright. We'll get to it. This stuff really works. It ain't gonna look brand new or anything, but if you're willing to put in the brute force, you can get a good result. That ain't bad. Boy, you gotta have patience for this stuff. Can't wait to get at body work. Yay. I think I'll be pretty good at it though. Just some soap and water I have in the bucket there. Oh hell yeah, that's a lot better. It's a lot better than before. I'm happy that it's actually came out really clean. I was using this thing. I mean, it's a rough bristle. I was having a lot of trouble getting all the heavy spots off, the tarnish on the paint, but seems like this may be the answer. Again, it is a lot of work, but it's worth it if it's worth it to you. So anyways, guys, peace out. Hope you're having a good day. It's raining in Fort Mac, so you see the 52 back there? She's hiding. Got the truck and the van out on the road to give myself some room to work. But anyways, thanks y'all for watching. Hope you have a good day.